on, ROR fam? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been catching amazing moves in the markets. I'm talking about like the craziest entries, knowing literally 100% of the time that the market's going to go the direction that I want it to go. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this as well. But I also wanted to remind you guys, I don't know if you guys are in that free group chat where all the giveaway winners are being announced and where all the giveaways are actually being announced as well. But there is a link in the description. It is my free Telegram chat. You guys don't have to pay a single penny. Just click the link. You're going to be able to join for free, and you're going to be able to have access to the giveaways. I mean, guys, it literally takes 20 seconds to like and comment on a video, and you have a chance to win $100, a free course, access to my new group chat, things like that. I'm doing giveaways on every single video. I'm trying to help you guys out, so definitely join that group chat. And I just want to give a huge shout out to all the supporters, all the love that we've been getting on the videos. And I hope you guys are liking it, you are enjoying the content, and we're going to keep going hard, guys. It's crazy because a lot of big things are happening. I'm super excited for the future. The future is very exciting, and I hope you guys feel the same exact way, because your future is exciting as well. And I want you guys to realize that what you think about most of the time, you become. So if you're thinking positive, like, yo, I'm gonna be an excellent forex trader, I'm gonna start making a full-time income doing this, then you will. What's stopping you? The only thing stopping you from getting to where you want to be is yourself. But guys, let's dive into the video. I'll see you in a second. Let's go. Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you are ready for the sauce I'm going to spill in this video. This is literally what I've been using to trade, how I'm finding really good entries, and overall just knowing when the market's going to be a long, when it's going to be a short. This is just really good information that I'm going to provide you guys within this video. So I definitely suggest that you guys stay throughout this video just so you can learn more, because at the end of the day, the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, so let's dive in. So what I actually want to go over with you guys is really finding candlestick recognition when you know it's going to be a buy market, a sell market, simple things like that. Like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, this is something I'm using a lot of the time. So overall, once you know how to do this, you can use it on multiple time frames. This does work on any time frame, and these are things that happen in the market every single day. So like I said, we're looking for like buy or sell opportunities, and the way that we're going to be able to do that is looking for certain candles. So right here we're looking at the Nasdaq. This is NAS 100. We are looking at the 4-hour chart, and you guys can see right before we had this big push up of 2,500 pips, you guys can see that we had this spinning top right here. So overall, that's what you need to be looking for, certain candles like this. So this candle is called a spinning top. It's like those toys we used to play with as kids where you would spin it around and then it would spin on the ground. So you guys can see that overall, the body of this candle is very small, but we have this long wick to the bottom. You guys can see we have that very long wick telling us that sellers are overall being rejected in the market right now. We are overall going to see more buyers come in, and that's exactly what happened. After that candle closed, we had a retest and price pushed up. We broke this resistance level right here. Then the next candle after that broke up too. And now, if we would have caught this trade right there from the closing of this candle to current market price, it would have been 2,500 pips right there. So here's another good example of a spinning top. And I'm going to show you guys multiple like candles that I'm looking for. Here's another spinning top right after price broke up to the upside. Broke this resistance, formed a higher high, higher low, new higher high, higher low, higher high, hit this zone right here and then drop down. So another thing that you guys should be looking for, let me see if I could find a bullish or bearish engulfing. This is actually a perfect example right here of a bearish engulfing. It's when we have a bullish candle, and then right after that one closes, we have a bearish candle that closes right below that point of resistance. So you guys can see right here, the market came down, or the market came up, we hit this zone of resistance, so we hit to the left. Look to the left, structure does leave clues. We had a clue right there that this is a point of resistance, that's why I have it marked up. And after that, we rejected the zone of resistance, then this candle came out as a bearish candle, closed right about where this candle had opened, and this right here, that's what we call a bearish engulfing. Now let me see if I could find a bullish engulfing. So I say it's a bearish engulfing because it's signaling sells. Then after that happened, you guys can see we had a huge drop, massive drop down to this support. Look to the left, structure leaves clues. We could have had our take profit right here. Our stop loss right up here. Probably above this wick is where I would have put my stops. And boom, it came through and smashed that zone. So right there total, we would have caught an entry right there. Honestly, we would have caught an entry because you like I'm telling you guys, the most important thing that you guys can do is what you guys need to do. The most important thing that you guys need to do is wait for confirmation. And the way that we're going to be able to do that is waiting for certain candles to open and close. So one thing that I've noticed that has been working extremely well is I'll wait for every hour candle to close. And I'm not just looking at the hour 1 chart, I'm looking at the hour 1, the minute 30, and the minute 15 time frame. And I'm looking for any buy or sell signals on all 3 of those time frames. You could even do it as well on the hour 4 time frame. So in 2 hours and 9 minutes, a new hour 4 candle is going to open up to the right. We're not looking at that right now, but in 2 hours and 9 minutes, a new candle is going to open up. So you can look at the hour 4 chart, the hour 1 chart, the minute 15, and the minute 30 to get confirmation. So that's what I'm telling you guys. Don't just go off like one time frame, be like, oh, like the hour 4 is looking really good for a buy. Look at multiple time frames so you kind of get a bias on what all the time frames are doing. But from this entry right here, we would have entered at the closing of that candle all the way down to support. 5,000 pips, 5,100 pips right there on that trade you guys could have caught. Okay, so let's look for a bullish engulfing. Sometimes it's hard, like with me, I'm very specific on what I'm looking for on a bullish engulfing. So okay, this is a good example right here. Right here, that's a perfect bullish engulfing. We have the bearish candle come down. Then right after that, we have the bullish candle. Bullish candle closed right about where this one opened. And then after that, started trending up. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And it just kept climbing all the way up here to resistance. So I didn't have this zone marked up right here, but would have been a pretty good zone to mark up. So we actually do have a good another candle recognition pattern right here as well, or candlestick I should say, since it's one candle. This right here is a doji. I'm pretty sure all of you are familiar with the doji. This can be a doji. This can be a doji right here as well. This would be qualified as a shooting star candle. We're going to go over that in just a second. But this doji right here, it came up to resistance. We had a doji, and then after that drop, kind of had a retest right here. But overall, all these candles aren't going as high as we did right here. You guys can see that wick didn't go as high as this wick. This wick didn't go as high as that wick. So each time the wick, it kind of went lower and lower and lower before we had that boom, big drop right here. Another thing you guys need to be looking at too is because we had this support zone right here. So it wasn't able to break it on this candle, but that next candle that came through fucking smashed through it. So you guys can see when it's breaking points of support, resistance, and trend line, it needs a lot of volume in the candle. So we had a lot of volume right there. You can look at our volume indicator right here, and it just bink smashed through that zone right there. Okay, let's try and find some more examples. Here's a bullish engulfing again. There. Okay. Spinning top right here. Market went up after that. So a lot of the time, like you guys can see overall on the NASDAQ right here, we are in an uptrend. So it's really crucial like to find the trend. And usually before it forms like a new higher high or a higher low, like right here, you guys can see we have a higher high, then a higher low. So a lot of the time, I'll be looking for bullish engulfings, bearish engulfings, doji, spinning tops when it's at a higher low or when it's at a lower high. So right here, this would be a higher low right here. We have that spinning top, then boom, price broke up to the upside. Okay, see if we could find any other examples. Here's kind of like a doji right here. So we are just looking at the hour 4 time frame right now too. Here's a good doji right here. Well, came down to that support, bink, doji, shot up after that. That's when our uptrend started right about here. Another doji right here. Okay, another doji right here. So, like, guys, this happens all the fucking time. Like, I'm telling you, like, you can see dojis and spinning tops and things like this all the time. Okay, this is a different candle right here. This is a bearish hammerhead. Okay, you guys can see that that candle literally looks like a hammer, doesn't it? We have that long handle, then we actually have our hammer right here. So that's a bearish hammer right there. And when we're looking at that, overall you can see like the body of this candle, that wouldn't be a spinning top because the body is much bigger than right here. This is a spinning top. So you guys can kind of see the difference right there between those candles. See if we can find like another hammerhead candle. Boom, here's a good one. Here's a bullish hammerhead right here. Boom. So that's really what I'm looking at a lot of the time, is I'm looking for these certain candles, whether the market is going up, down, anything that's signifying that it's going to be a buy or a sell market. So I'm just erasing this off my chart because I have my chart set up specifically for the NASDAQ. But a great thing that you guys can do in exercise is maybe set a timer for when a candle closes. So you can do this on the daily chart. The 4-hour chart, there's 6 times that a new hour 4 candle opens up. So set a timer every 4 hours. Have your alarm go off and look for any signs of a spinning top, shooting star. And it doesn't have to be on one specific candle or one specific currency pair, I should say. You can go to XRP. It's like, boom, what if XRP had a sign of a bullish engulfing or some type of candle giving us confirmation it was going to go up? Okay, so it's really just like going through the market, scanning. Let's look at the hour 4 on AUD USD. Kind of looks like we had a doji form on last Friday. It is Sunday right now. Okay. This was actually something that I saw on GBP/JPY last week. I'm just deleting it. Okay, so like I said, just scanning through, going through the markets, looking at any confirmation. Not seeing anything right now. So what I would do is, like I said, set a timer. Right here, USD CAD, we have that spinning top right there, came down, tested our moving average, our 20 length moving average, closed above. You can see every wick went lower or higher than the one before. This one didn't get as low as this one. This one didn't get as low as this one. And we saw it shot up right there. So overall, we are in an uptrend right now. Maybe could see a good buy opportunity soon. This is also where I was looking to go long on AUD USD. You guys can see that we have the spinning top, then 2 dojis, and then that's when price started to push up after that higher high, higher low. Boom, shot up, broke this resistance right here. So that's what I wanted to go over with you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't joined our free group chat, definitely join below. There is a link. And I totally forgot to tell you guys, but I am off Instagram right now. I'm taking a break, so I won't be on Instagram for a month. So if anyone's DMing you claiming to be me, that is not me. Join that free group chat below and you guys can be in contact with me. You can see the giveaways, all that good stuff. And also, if you guys could subscribe and turn on the notifications for the subscribing, I would greatly appreciate it. It would mean so much, guys, because we're going to be providing so much more value in these videos. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Let's get it.